A UPS truck?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. That had the wreck, yeah. This is 20 down in Alabama. It's a car accident, UPS truck, and these are all the vehicles. It's backed up, seem like from Georgia line
I told you.
to to Alabama.
Oh, you put it on Facebook?
Uh-huh.
Look like that.
Oh my goodness. Well, y'all gonna be a minute. See, that's why they put all this stuff so you couldn't turn around. You see, I don't like all that.
You gotta hear that shit right there. Keep want you to cross the road. That shit'll stop it.
As far as the eyes can see, look at all the trucks backed up.
Hello.
Coming from Georgia.
Look at man. And I tell you, they're gonna be there for a while. That's a big ass investigation. You see all them Howard Patrol officers out there? Ain't shit for the movie.
Oh, I know.
Look at they trying to turn that big motherfucker around.
Oh, sugar, you shouldn't have done that. Where are you gonna go?
Right here, they turn them around.
Oh. Oh, okay.
So they sitting their head back up this way.
Oh, dang.
He backing straight up. That's what you do right there, Bill. Let them know you got that professional truck driver. Back that bitch up 20 miles, bitch. That's how you do it, goddamn. That's how I did in Chicago. I had to back that motherfucker almost 10 miles.
10 miles?
Yeah.
Backing the truck up? That's
on the
crazy.
expressway. So they all got these right here turned around.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, you filming it?
Supposed to be able to go live. Let's see.
Yeah, he backing it up right there. Look at him. Now they back it up. They ain't playing. You were taught to do that, Mary. Look at him. Flip them back, baby. Go on, flip them back. Show them what you do, baby. Professional drivers right there.
Yeah, I think we're coming to an end, and we're up.
No, you ain't. All of them will hit the exit here. It ain't coming to no end. Wait till we get past this bridge.
Oh.
It's just beginning.
Wow.
Look back here. It's just beginning.
Good gracious. Oh, they done start turning them over, have them going in a different direction now.
Look at that. So it's just beginning. We over to the Georgia line. This wall right here, just let you know you get close to the Georgia line. This wall is up. In this wall, you'll be in Georgia. See what I'm talking about?
Good gracious alive. My goodness. Look at all the vehicles, all backed up.
I saw that truck over that burn. I said, that'd be at the Georgia line. All the way back to
Today is Thursday. Around, probably around 12:30.
12:46.
12:46. And the traffic is backed all the way up. Look like
from
Alabama to Georgia.
They backed all the way to that. Look.
Wow.
Exit 5.
Oh.
I'm past exit 5, I guarantee you.
Wow. Good gracious. We're gonna be sitting there for a while. Sitting there for a while.
I'm glad we was already down there.
Me too.
Calamity James. Good God Almighty, what's my name?
What is that in the road right there? Tar?
Alligator. Yeah, they call them gators.
Gator.
Yeah. You want to look and tell you, watch out for the gators on the left side of the highway.
Wow.
Going eastbound, I-20. Westbound I-20 shut down due to a vehicle fire, 18-wheeler vehicle fire, UPS. Come back. You ain't been no.
Lord. Wow. Look at all the vehicles.
That's why you talk to them. This is yours truly. This is a shaft in the red rig. Heading on I-20 eastbound. Bad wreck on I-20 westbound.
Wow.
Shut down from Alabama line to Georgia State line. If you can't find your meter turnaround route, go 78 west.
They're behind the wall. It must be Trump wall. Oh, well, looks like everything is easing down as far as the vehicle coming in. They must have troopers down here redirecting them.
Still coming.
Well, dang, they look like they would have troopers down here trying to see if they can go in a different
No,
direction.
they're going to shoot them on 78. What I just told you.
Wow.
A lot of them turning on Highway 5.